Hello, this is Barna with another wpress.zone video. In this video, I wanted to show you the new GeneratePress Premium update. This is a big update, and we've all been waiting for this since September last year. If you were one of the hawked-eye person, you could see mentions of GeneratePress Sites by Tom. Yes, you guessed it right, GeneratePress Sites is officially here, as promised, and the beta is available today. So, without further ado, let's have a check and test it out. For this, I have created a brand new install. But keep in mind that GeneratePress Sites is only available for the premium plugin users. If you haven't purchased it yet, you can find the link in this video's description below. First, let's activate our GeneratePress Premium plugin. Next, hover over Appearances and click on the GeneratePress option. Here, you will notice another awesome update for the import-export of options. Yes, it can be done in batch now. Thanks, Tom. But the reason we are here now is the GeneratePress Sites tab on the top. Let's click on it and see what we got. Of course, I know about this, but for you here's the information you need to know. So GeneratePress Sites is not just a simple templates library. With this, you can actually pick and import complete sites from Tom and other cool GeneratePress designers. I had the honor to be part of this project as a site creator, and will try my best to add at least one GeneratePress site per month. Yeah, I know, enough of the promo, let's see it in action. If you hover over any of the sites, there are two options: Preview or Details. To take a look beforehand, click on the Preview button and have a browse around in the pop-up frame. If you like what you see, click on the Details button. If not, just simply close it and check another one. Here, you will get all the information and list of plugins that are needed for this site, and the option to preview again or to get started. First, click on the Get Started button, and it will ask to back up your current GP settings before the next option will be available. The actual site import is happening in two parts. First, the site settings, and the second half for the content. In this video, I will do both to get the full experience. So hit the Import Options button and wait till it finishes. Next, it will ask if we agree that there will be plugins, content and media being imported. Tick the highlighted box and hit the Import Content button. Your new site is ready, and you can even take a look at the creator's website by clicking on the name. As a final step, let's take a look on our new website. Of course, there are other amazing features in this update, like batch import-export of GP settings, slide-out navigation layout, widget location and color options, and many more. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Until then, see you next time.